back to my channel. I am the Pretty Girl Investor. I'm a real estate investor in the North Carolina and Atlanta market who uses the exit strategy of wholesaling real estate, and this is my vlog. Today is going to be a little bit different because I am doing a DIY project on this desk that you see right here. I know you guys are wondering, what does this have to do with wholesaling real estate? But before I get into it, be sure to like and subscribe to this video so we can get started. Okay, so let's rewind back. The thing about wholesaling real estate is that it comes with perks. I got this table from my first wholesale real estate deal. Many homeowners, they leave stuff behind when they're selling their house. So if they don't want it anymore, what I like to do is I like to look around, see what I can use, see what I need, see what I may want that will be beneficial to me. So as I stated, this table came from my first wholesale deal. The lady didn't want it no more. She also left this big cubic square cubbyhole thing that I really wanted, but I couldn't have because it was attached to the wall, so I could not get it out. I was only able to get this along with a few other things out the house. I know you guys are wondering what am I gonna do with it. It doesn't look right, but I'm gonna show you. That's why I made this video. I got you. It doesn't look pretty at all. It actually is chipped everywhere. The paint is coming up. It's not very nice looking. Okay, so I know you guys are wondering. It does have a drawer that I can put stuff in. I know you guys are wondering, what do I want with this table? Why do I have it? It's ugly. So let's get started. This is a really simple DIY project that I'm going to show you guys. I have this adhesive vinyl that I got from Family Dollar. It was only $3 for this. Okay, so I tried to do this on a table before using only one of these, and it wasn't long enough. I got two. This isn't the kind I wanted. I wanted the marble texture, but they didn't have it anymore. So I got this. Don't really like it, but this is all they had, and I really wanted to do something to this table before I started using it. So here it goes. This is adhesive liner, decorative adhesive covering, permanent adhesive. I don't know about the permanent part because I was able to take it up the first time that I did. So this would just be up to you if you want to put this on anything that you choose to use. So I want y'all to see me do this from start to finish. This is what it looks like. I don't know how this tape gonna look. It's not what I wanted to put. And then the back is sticky. You can peel the back off. I started from the front and then I went to the back. The first time I did it. But I think I'm gonna start from the back and then go to the front. This is the second half of it, right here. As I told you the first time, I only bought one and I didn't have enough to finish, so I'm gonna stop halfway. So I'm done. This is what the table looks like so far. I only wanted the desktop, the front part done to it. Didn't want nothing else done to it. This didn't take me a long time, probably about 40 minutes. Of course I sped it up for you guys. It actually came out better than I thought. I did keep the middle drawer black just to give it some pizzazz, and other than that, I love it. I can't wait to use it. You cannot tell I did what I did to it, but I did it, and it looks very nice. It looks like I bought it. So this is how you turn trash into luxury for $6, because that's literally all I spent. I got the table for free, and I bought the 2 things of vinyl. As I said before, I got this table from my first wholesale deal. The lady didn't want anything left in her house, so I did come over and I grabbed it because I wanted it. I'm not telling you to do that, I'm just telling you what I did. I love balling on a budget. I love things that are free, so that's just me. Anybody else would have probably left this daggone table alone, but I have me a nice table to actually work from now, and I just love it. If you enjoyed this quick DIY video from me, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.